Do not listen to this recording while doing activities that require your full attention. Use this recording only when you are sitting or lying in a safe, comfortable place where you do not have to pay close attention to your surroundings. Hello, I'm John Barboza. Thanks for tuning in. Take a moment to think about a behavior that you want to change. Think about what needs to be done to help you to become a happier, healthier person. It could be something so small, like setting your alarm clock 10 minutes earlier or 10 minutes later. Or it could be a tiny thing, like doing the dishes after a meal or vacuuming once a week. It could be something big like stopping smoking, exercising, or losing weight. Maybe it's something that bothers you or makes you mad or irritates you. Maybe the news or a behavior from another person. Once you find what it is that makes you feel uneasy or uncomfortable, come up with options that you can use to separate yourself from the behavior. If it's the news that makes you upset, don't watch it. Find something more pleasurable or uplifting instead. If it's a bad habit like smoking, talk to a former smoker who can give you tips and advice. Or if you're consuming unhealthy foods or snacks, change your diet, exercise to feel good. Replace the unhealthy habits with new healthy habits. Make a commitment to be in control of your life, to be calm, relaxed, healthy, and happy. And know that there are some things you cannot change. And be at peace with something that bothers you that you have no control over. And recognize and accept the things you can't change and be at peace with that. Accept your limitations and change the things that you can, one step at a time. So inhale deeply. Hold it for a few seconds. And as you exhale, close your eyelids and focus on that thing or behavior you would like to change. And as you continue listening to my voice, breathe. Relax and let go of any interfering thoughts as you come up with options that you can choose from to help you make the changes necessary to allow you to become a more happier, healthier person. Inhale. Exhale. And relax with every breath in and out. Relax. Breathe. And just let go. Deeper and deeper. More and more. Relaxed. As I count backwards from 10 to 1, imagine relaxing more and more with each number I say. As you inhale, exhale, and relax. 10. Inhale. Exhale. Relax and let go. 9. Inhale. Exhale. Relax and let go. 8. Relax. 7. Deeper and deeper. More and more. relaxed. 6, 5, 4, all the way down. 3, so relaxed, so calm and relaxed. 2, and 1. Breathe and relax. And imagine that you are watching TV and you have the remote control in your hand. And imagine, picture, visualize that the program playing on the television set is about you and the behavior or issue you want to change. Notice how difficult making the changes has been. And as you notice how difficult making the changes has been in the past, think about what you have to do in order to make the changes. Think about what needs to be done in order for the changes to occur. Now take the remote and pause the program. And take a minute to think about something you've done in the past that you decided to change. And notice what you did that made you successfully change. Notice how you felt when deciding to make the changes. And notice what you looked like when going through the process of changing. And notice how you felt when you successfully made the changes, when you changed. Now take that moment to make a plan and implement that, what you did in the past, to create a positive change. Take a moment to take the elements and weave them into this new plan for change to occur. Think about how you felt and what you looked like when you successfully made those changes and add it to your new plan. Now take the remote and point it at the TV and press the remote and change the channel. Find the channel that shows the same program, except in this program, you can see yourself implementing what needs to be done in order to successfully change the behavior. Notice how you feel and how you look as the positive changes occur. And press the remote to increase the sensation of happiness. Press the remote to feel the confidence moving throughout your body. Press the remote and feel happy and healthy and successful. Press the remote and make a commitment to be in control of your life, to become relaxed, healthy, and happy. And press that remote and start taking those small steps that encourage you to confront the challenges before you. Press the remote to increase positivity, courage, and strength as you move forward with the determination to conquer your fears. And know that there are some things you cannot change. And be at peace with something that bothers you that you have no control over. And recognize and accept the things you can't change. And be at peace with that. Accept your limitations and change the things that you can one step at a time. And use that remote. Press the remote and keep moving forward as you make the positive, healthy changes that fill you with joy and happiness and overwhelming success. Feel those wonderful, positive, motivating feelings growing from within as I count from 1 to 3. And when I reach the number 3, open your eyelids and take these wonderful, positive, motivating feelings with you on your journey as you successfully make the changes you desire. 1. Take a nice deep breath, filling your lungs with energy and oxygen. 2. Beginning to come back into the room, stretching and reorienting yourself, pressing the remote. And 3. Open your eyelids, feeling good, feeling wonderful, feeling relaxed, positive, motivated, and confident enough to commit yourself to accomplishing any task, thought, or ideas as you continue on with your journey, as you successfully make the changes you desire to make. Welcome back. I'm John Barboza, and I'll see you soon.